Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here with a new plane, y'all. I was searching on Amazon to find a new 4-channel plane that I can test out, and I ended up finding this. This is the Sky Viper Vector. It looks like it's modeled after the SR-72. I saw a bunch of reviews and videos on YouTube about this little bird, and it got all positive reviews as far as what I've seen. Everybody pretty much praised this little plane of how it flies and all, but the one criticism that I saw, there was no ACRO mode for it, but otherwise everybody had high praises for this little plane. And when I was reading the comments of one of the videos, I saw a person say that this little bird can go into ACRO mode, and it was something as simple as holding down the turbo button. Is that a turbo? No, that's a stunt button. My bad, y'all. It was something as simple as holding down the stunt button and pressing the power button one time, and that was supposed to put it in ACRO mode. And people in the comments didn't believe it. They were asking him, comments like "really" and stuff like that. And I saw nobody do a video on this little bird flying ACRO mode, and so that kind of pushed me over the edge to pull the trigger. And so I got this little bird out here, and I can say that the ACRO mode seems to be real. Well, it is real, not seems to be. I know for a fact there is an ACRO mode on this because I read the manual. It comes with a quick start manual, and at the very bottom of that manual it talks about ACRO mode briefly, and it's the same as that person who commented on the bottom of the video said. And so we're going to be testing that to see how the ACRO mode works. I never flew this little plane, so this is going to be the maiden flight, and we're going to try to test ACRO mode. I'm not the best ACRO mode pilot out here, so I won't be in ACRO mode long, especially not out here on the concrete. Don't want to smash this thing down into the asphalt. But I will be doing maybe a flip and a roll, maybe a loop or something like that. Just to confirm that there is an ACRO mode. And the transmitter is pretty minimalistic, just a stunt button and a power button, nothing else, no trims, no anything. So no extra features, just the fact that you can fly this guy. It has wheels. I won't be taking off with the wheels because I haven't seen too many people really take off successfully with the wheels on, and it's kind of rugged out here on this asphalt, so I'm not too confident in this taking off from the wheels. So we will be tossing it with the hand and crash landing it in the grass over there. It comes with a 500 milliamp hour pack. I do have a spare that I had in my little arsenal that matches it in dimensions and milliamp hours. So we got a backup pack. It has a JST connection on this, but let's get it in the air. I'm really anxious to see how it flies. Okay, so there is an on and off switch on the bottom. You got to be careful of that. It does have this little lip up there to protect the on and off switch. I have had some birds that didn't have any protection for the on and off switch on the bottom, and I have crash landed it and destroyed the on and off switch. So let's turn it on and set it down flat. Turn the transmitter on. It binds up automatically, so you don't have to do anything. to get it to bind. It's very windy out here, but they're claiming 45 mile per hour speeds out of this little SR72. So it should be able to handle this wind. The wind is coming from that way, so we're going to take off that way. Hopefully nothing crazy happens out here with it. Let's go. And it's immediately trying to go up. So I don't know if it has that. It seems like it has that deal that the Vivor, what is it, Su-27 has, that it'll try to fly up first when you first launch it. But it's flattened out now. Little turbulence. Good control from it though. Yanks and banks really well. Whoa. Slow flight capabilities demonstrated there, and ability to turn in a small space. So tight turning it does have. There's a little bit of the differential thrust mixed in, just like the little Vivor plane, but you can apply more. Man, the wind is really rocking it around. Let's see, since we can turn in a tight space. Oh, I like it. It's flying nice, y'all. Let me see if it does good stunts. Let's try a roll. Oh, it didn't do anything. Let's try a roll here. Okay, it did a stunt there, a roll. Let's bring it down before we end up on a rooftop. I will say it would be kind of fast. Check it out. Yeah, I would say it's kind of fast. Try to bring it back over here. Try to do a roll over there. So it did a nice roll. Let's see if it'll do a loop for us. We're gonna get away from the rooftop to do the loop. Okay, let's try a loop over here. Didn't do it. Man, I think without the wind, it'll be a really, really smooth flyer. But right now, it's really wobbly because of the wind. But it is having its way with the wind. Wind isn't stopping the show. So, okay, let's test the manual mode. You just give it one press on the stunt button to get out of the mode. You have to hold it and press the power button to get in the mode. Oh, I did a roll. Trying to prepare to go into the mode. Wait, we didn't do a loop yet. Let's see if we can get a loop out of this thing. Okay, there we go. Got a loop out of it. I'm kind of nervous about putting it in manual mode here. But let's try it. We said we was going to try it. We're in manual mode. Okay, so there is a manual mode. Check it out. I'm doing rolls, slow rolls. Oh, I had to come out of it. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but okay, so I found it over here. It was going down. I thought it was going to do a nosedive and crash into the concrete here, but at the last minute I was able to pull up and come out of manual mode, and it landed softly here. And it was, I think it lost connection as well because it was beeping and beeping, but it stopped beeping once I got close to it. So we're gonna probably end it there. But I think it flies really nice. I think this little thing flies really nice. So it does go in ACRO mode. We got the ACRO mode off on it, and it has a pretty long flight time. That little battery doesn't really look like it's 500 milliamp hours, but it's acting as if it is. No evidence of it slowing down or weakening, and it's a pretty good flyer. I'm anxious to get this little bird out on a day that is less wind out. The Sky Viper Vector, I would say it's awesome. I'll have links in the description so you can check it out. Be sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you like the content, so you'll know when I upload more content. Thanks for watching.